everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna D, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you guys what is in my makeup freelance case. I do makeup on the go, and if you guys are curious of what I carry in my makeup freelance case, I want to share with you guys what it looks like first. It's pretty heavy because I have like pretty much everything you would need in here. So I have all my things in here, what I need as a makeup artist. You know, it's very important to make sure you're prepared for any occasion. Make sure you're prepared for any person who has a certain look they have in mind. Make sure that you're prepared for any uh-ohs. I love saying uh-ohs. But I am so excited to share with you guys what I carry in this case, including the brushes that I carry. So if you want to know what I carry in this makeup case, then let's keep on watching. Alright everyone, so this is the case. So once you open up the case, it looks like that, but the magic itself is inside. Y'all can see, hope it's not too much. Alright, so I first have are some two little lip glosses. These are from LA Colors, and this is a Bath and Body Works lip gloss. Next I have is this e.l.f. eyeliner. This is the shimmer eyeliner that I carry in this case. First palette that I do carry around whenever I'm doing my makeup on other people is this Element of Surprise from ColourPop. Looks like this. Surprise by ColourPop. The next product I have is my very favorite, my go-to. Looks like that. Then I like to carry, which is the LA Colors. This is the I Heart Makeup e.l.f. Golden Bronzer. Of course, my LA Colors Smoky palette. I recently used this on a bride and they love it and they're going out to get it themselves. Some Neutrogena. This is a Neutrogena Shine Control, just in case if the bride needs just a little bit of blotting, you know, just in case if the bride is oily. I have some Shine Control. Of course, I have to carry around Marc Jacobs just in case if a bride wants a higher end foundation choice. e.l.f. Blush Kit. e.l.f. Blush Kit. There you go. For darker skin tones that's a little bit darker than my complexion, I carry the Dream Mousse Liquid Foundation. And I also use that for contouring if I want to do like a cream. Then I carry is the Black Radiance. This is called Perfect Oil Free Makeup. I carry this foundation. Okay. Then I have is the Sun Kiss Body. If the bride wants a little bit of glow on her body, or if any one wants a little glow on their body. Then I have is the e.l.f. Clarifying Pressed Powder. Then I have is the Wet n Wild Mega Glass Eyeliner. Almay Concealer. Then I have is the e.l.f. This is the Super Glossy Lip Shine. CoverGirl Outlast Stay Luminous. The retractable eyeliner by Diamond Cosmetics, and the eyeliner pencil from NYX. No, this is from LA Colors. Yeah, Taupe. This is like a nude liner. Another new blush if the bride wants a new blush, or anyone that wants a new blush. I have a new blush from YH by J. My favorite, this is the Maybelline Super Stay. My other favorite, which is the Color Mates. This is their gel liner. The one that I use currently on the brows. Then I have is an LA Colors mascara and an e.l.f. mascara. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up. This is what I carry in my train case. It's a lot, I know, but hey, you gotta be prepared, like I said in the intro. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon.